FUSE is what we're calling the focus program at Northeast High School, and that stands for Food, Energy, Water, and Societal Systems. And we are using that acronym because it really encompasses all that is agriculture and natural resources. It's the animals, it's the environmental studies, it's the water. It's really thinking about all those future challenges our world kind of currently has today, but might in the future, and getting students excited to solve those problems. My name's Bailey Fight. The FUSE Focus Program for Northeast students is an opportunity for them to connect with UNL East Campus. And my role is to help those students navigate the different pathways available to them. I get to collaborate between Northeast High School and provide opportunities for those students to get connected with the College of Agricultural Sciences and Natural Resources here on East Campus.
We're going to talk about the science of pizza. Who likes pizza? Anybody?
To learn about themselves, learn about what kind of education pathways they'd like to pursue, and then possibly get interested in specific careers.
So you kind of have to think about what's available to me that I can use to solve this problem.
Okay.
Right? And then you have to figure out what the needs are.
So far what we've been doing is like a lot of group activities with the different majors they have here. FUSE program is kind of getting high school students like ready to find out what major they kind of want to be in. My name is Ophelia Beltran. I'm a freshman at Northeast High School, but I also go to zoo school, which is located at our Lincoln Children's Zoo.
Okay, well, there's 3 cups on the bottom, there's a cup down there, and then if we put water into this cup, then it should drain into all 3.
Northeast High School gets this special opportunity because only Northeast High School students as freshmen and sophomore get to participate in this pre-pathway is what we're calling it. And what that means is in their classes every day at Northeast, so their science, their math, their English, art, technology classes, they are going to have lessons that relate to food, energy, water, and societal systems. So they're just going to learn a little bit here and there through all their classes about FUSE. And then twice a year, they're going to have opportunities to come to campus as an entire group and have some hands-on learning activities, learn about campus, learn about different careers, learn about different majors they could do.
Excuse me, what does animal call it?
Praying mantis.
Praying mantis.
Mantis, right?
Praying, yep, praying mantis.
What is the food for it?
It will consume anything it can.
Hi, my name is Ha. I'm from Vietnam, and I am the freshman at the 9th grade. I study in the school Lincoln Northeast. Yet I just started Lincoln. I learned about how the animal live, how the animal eating, and how the animal falling and be born. Yeah, I just learned that.
I hope all students consider applying for this focus program because it will fit all the students of different ability levels, different interests, different career fields that they want to go into, no matter whether they're good at science, good at math, good at English, that there is a spot for them in this focus program. Not only is UNL East Campus a great place for these students to come and see, but Northeast High School gets to be renovated as well to get students excited about FUSE and to have opportunities to do labs like they did today, hands-on learning activities, have animals come into the school, have water or dirt to do plants, and that's in Northeast High School Media Center, and they're going to call it the FUSE Hub, and they are renovating it very soon, and it will be open in the fall of 2022.
My name is Natalia, Olivas, and I am 9th grade. For me, it's like I need this program because I need to learn more how the animals eat food and life.
So what I'm looking at in my research is the impact or the effect that pesticides that they use in crops affect monarch caterpillars.
The 11th and 12th graders at Northeast eventually will get to take some college credit courses on campus. Either 11th, 12th, or 12th graders, they are both welcome to apply into the focus program. And what that entails is they can choose to have a class at Northeast High School that is called the FUSE Focus class. But another option would be to enroll in Nebraska Now, and that's an opportunity for high schoolers to take college credit courses at a reduced tuition. Northeast students will come to campus and take a college credit course with college students. They will be sitting in the same class, side by side, collaborating in the same groups. They won't even be separated into their own group. They will be mixed in with the college students, treated with the same expectations and classroom assignments as the college students. A third opportunity would be internships and job shadowing opportunities or mentorships with people in the industry. A lot of those industry folks are excited to have young people around to learn about what they do, and some of them may even pay for the training that the student needs to start a job right away after high school. So I'm just really excited for how committed Northeast High School in general, the school is, the administrators, the teachers, and UNL. We're collaborating, and it's a wonderful partnership that will grow this program immensely.